Hey, it's me, Nikki, and I'm a homemaker. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys enjoy this fun video. Hope you like it.
Oh, do you do your own makeup?
Yeah.
It looks really good.
Thanks.
I'm glad I don't have to do all of that. Girl, I don't have time to do all of that.
Oh.
Darken up my eyebrows a little bit, put on some mascara and some lip gloss, and I'm gone. I'm too busy for all of that. That's too much. It's so crazy. Like, what if you're dating and then you have on all that makeup and you're looking so like pretty, and then you see him the next morning, like, how does that even work? You look really different with makeup.
Oh, thanks.
I don't have to do all this extra stuff. I'm just happy being me.
Oh, I love being me.
I don't like to wear loud colors on my eyes. I'd rather wear them on my body, not my face. I don't want to like come off looking like a clown.
I don't look like a clown.
I don't know. That's the way my husband likes it. He likes for me to look like really natural. It's the best way to go. But if that's your thing, girl, go ahead. You know, I just like looking real.
I'm real.
I just touch up my eyebrows. I don't like overdraw them or make them look thicker, and I don't do that fade out thing. But I'm not, like, no offense to you, right? I'm just saying.
You're not just saying, you're being mean. Do you not know how to put on makeup? It's okay, I'll teach you, and then maybe you'll be nice. Hope you enjoyed that video, you guys. I was just trying to have some fun. Don't be so hard on your girl. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.